friends, I'm Celine and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel SMS Manggar. Today I want to decor my Brookhaven Roblox avatar. Let's enter the map. Here we use ID. I look for the ID in the pin. If this is your first time playing this, you can click here to teleport or look for a house. Here to decor your avatar. Here to pick up items. Here to pick up vehicles. Okay, now I want to decor the avatar. After that, let's decor the house. Okay guys, now how to find land to build a house here. It's up to you, find the empty ones, guys. So after that, click on this, then select your favorite house. You can get premium here, guys. Okay, let's decor first. We have to put the lights on, then put them on. That's it guys, it's good, it's not it. The game is fun. It's late, let's sleep. This is my nightgown, guys. Let's brush our teeth. Okay, now turn off the lights and sleep. Good night and sleep friends. Goodbye, thank you for watching.